I'm getting my confidence up now, and I'm gonna start thinking about moving into some overtaking lanes. To overtake and move into another lane, firstly, mirror check, then signal. Check that it's actually clear in my blind spot and move across. Notice that I didn't do a full blind spot check. I just checked over my shoulder quickly to make sure that the area that I can't see in the mirror is clear in case someone's moving from lane 3 into lane 2 while I'm moving from lane 1 into lane 2. Really important, that one. Now, I've moved in behind a Nissan and I'm going to increase my following distance so that I get that 2 seconds back again. Perfect. And remember, 2, 4, 10. That's going to help you if you're on your theory test. So I'm going to think about moving into the next lane on the right because this Nissan in front of me is still only doing about 65 miles an hour. So mirror, I can see a car there and there's not more than 2 seconds between me and the car behind. So I'm not going to move at this point. I'm going to keep on scanning the mirror and checking what's on my right. And when you're moving into lanes, it's really important to separate out the 3 stages. Check your mirror, acknowledge what's in the mirror, signal, and then let other drivers acknowledge your signal or have time to react to your signal and then move. Don't do mirror, signal, move at the same time. It's unpredictable, and like we spoke about in other videos, unpredictability is where problems happen. So, checking my mirror, put on a signal, pause, and then moving across. So if I want to move back to the left, exactly the same procedure. Check my mirrors, acknowledge what's there, take time to process that information, put a signal on, let the cars behind and in front and around you take time to process that information as well before you take a very gentle steer to the left to move into the lane that you're moving into.